Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thanks for the time given in the International Conference on the Mathematics and Learning Research today. We are from Indonesia. Would like to present our study titled Describing Soft Skills Attributes of Senior High School Teachers in Mathematics Learning. This study was written by Wiwin Sri Hidayati. She is the head of this research. Jauhara Dian Nur Ifah and Muhammad Farhan Rafi are the members. Let me start the presentation with the introduction from this study. The implementation of education in primary and secondary schools in Indonesia follows the standard process set by the government. And in the implementation of education, one of the learning principles used is to balance hard skill and soft skill. Soft skills are needed by the teachers in teaching learning because with soft skills, teachers can grow the soft skill of students. From those ideas, these studies focus on soft skills attributes only for verbal mathematical communications, problem solving, and critical thinking. This study used a qualitative research approach. In this study, a qualitative research approach with a descriptive of research was chosen because it is relevant, allows to achieve the objectives set in this study. This research subject is a mathematics teacher at SMAN 1 Kertosono. It is in Indonesia. And the main instrument in this research is the researchers themselves. And there are two supporting instruments. They are observation and interview. Observation is used to observe directly when the subject in teaching learning process, so that the researchers will get an overview of the subject in developing their soft skill. The second research supporting instrument is interview. The researchers use semi-structured interview to reveal about the soft skills development carried out by the subject in teaching learning process. Researchers reveal and obtain the information on the development of soft skills of high school mathematics teachers in learning through direct observation, in learning, and in-depth interviews. Researchers explore the soft skills that are developed through expression, speech, writing, and behavior carried out by subject in teaching learning process of mathematics. Triangulation in this study was carried out by comparing the data from observation and interviews. After the data is credible, then the data analysis is carried out with the data reduction, namely categorizing the research data, and then presented in accordance with the research objectives, namely describing the development of soft skills for high school mathematics teachers in learning. For the following slides, it is about result and discussion, will be presented by Jauhara Dian.
Thank you, sir. The next about result and discussion. Number one, verbal mathematical communication. Based on the result of observation, it appears that the subject gives different intonation on the preferred mathematical object. More than that, the subject also refers to the mathematical object in questions. The subject's voice is also very clear, with a sentence structure that is easily understood by students. The second, problem solving. Based on the result of observations, it was shown that the subject seemed to be giving students problems to determine the factors of x to the power of 3 minus 2x squared plus 4x plus 12 using Horner's rule. The subject gave the students some time to try to finish. The subject trained students to identify possible factors of x to the power of 3 minus 7x squared plus 4x plus 12 by finding the factor of 12. The next step is to find the number of coefficients to the even and odd power. If the numbers are the same, then x plus 1 is the factor we are looking for. Because x plus 1 is a factor, the subject invited students to look for the factors using Horner's rule. Subjects guide students with coherent steps to begin to identify the things being asked. Look for possible answers by testing in detail. Make detailed and very clear problem solving. Examine the result of solving problems that have been done and conclude the answer generated so that students can follow learning well. Number 3 about critical thinking will be presented by Mrs. Wiwin Sri Hidayati.
Thank you. Okay, next, critical thinking. The subject wrote down on the factor of 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 is 2x minus 1, 2x plus 3. After that, the subject asked the student to check whether the written answer was correct. The subject tried to help the student by pointing to the number 3 and saying it was positive for 3, and the student were given time to examine the answer to the factor 2x squared minus 7x plus 3 that had been written by the subject. One of the subject answered that factor was 2x minus 1, 2x minus 3. The subject then give the opportunity to the student to explain the answer given. The student then explained that it was a multiplication of 1 and 3 because both means the result is positive 3. If the previous one was mean 1 and positive 3, the result was mean 3. Thus, I think the factor is 2x minus 1, 2x minus 3. Subject give appreciation with good for the student who answer correctly. Subject develop critical thinking and learning by asking students to be careful, dare to give an assessment of the teaching work, and dare to express opinion in learning. Subject will also give additional point the student who actively asks and now answer during learning. Conclusion: this research found the way of teacher in developing soft skill in mathematics learning, verbal mathematical communication. The teacher gives a different intonation on the preferred mathematical object, point to the mathematical object in question, and give a sign by circling or marking a box on the mathematical object being explained. Problem solving. The teacher guides students to coherent steps to begin to identify the things that are asked. Look for possible answer by testing in detail, make detailed and very clear problem solving, explain the result of solving problem that had been done, and conclude the answer generated so that student can follow learning well. The subject hopes that student can solve other problem given at last with the step that have been conveyed their learning. Critical thinking. The teacher asks students to be carefully there to give an assessment of the teacher work and there to express opinion in learning. Subject will also give additional point to students who actively ask and or answer their learning. Thank you.